Alright guys, so really quickly I want to just go ahead and show you what I picked up. Everything is from Amazon and I will have it listed down below in the description box. The links will be affiliate links, so if you don't feel comfortable with that, then of course just go ahead and search the item yourself. But anyway, so the first thing I got was this UV lamp for curing the gel polish. That's very critical for a gel manicure. So this one has 10, 30, 60, and 99-second settings. The 99-second has low heat, so that's nice. I already have done my nails once. Unfortunately, it did not really last. I was able to pick it off really easily, so I'm giving this another go. That was my first attempt, so hopefully this one will be better. Then I also got these Sally Hansen gel polish nail cleanser pads. From the videos that I was watching, you need to have something that can clean off the nail, so I picked these up. Then I already had a nail buffer and a nail file. Of course, you can just get these probably at your local drugstore. I don't even know where I got this, but I already had these, so I didn't need to purchase them. I got this Sally Hansen Cuticle Rehab. Now, I believe that this is not exactly what I meant to get. I had seen some people in videos use like a cuticle gel that helped make the cuticles kind of like fall off easier, like any of the dead. But this was more so just like a moisturizer almost for the cuticle. So I think I picked up the wrong thing, but I did use it and it definitely did make the cuticle seem like it was more hydrated. I picked up this. It has the cuticle pusher, the little like scraper edge, and then it has the cuticle cutter. Now, in my first attempt, I was very, very careful using these products. I really didn't do much to my cuticles just because I am not an experienced nail person. I'm literally just a girl trying to do this at home to save money. So I really didn't want to hurt myself. So as I practice, hopefully I'll maybe get better with using these, but of course I advise use caution because I'm sure you can really damage your skin if you are not careful. Then I picked up this set of gel nail polish colors. It was 2 colors and the rest are all glitters. I've only used the white out of this so far and I won't be using this one today. I'm going to be using a different one that I got, but this had black, white, and a bunch of glitters, so I don't know much about gel polishes and if these are like high quality or not. I just kind of went with ones that had pretty decent reviews. Then the other color set I got is this from Model Ones. Has some like more nude colors and stuff, so that is exciting. Again, it will be linked down below so you can see. One of the main reasons I got this kit was because it had like a nice nude pink, and I thought for like work environment that is a nice neutral, you know, little nude color. Then I got this Sally Hansen Vitamin E oil. This is for the cuticles. I put this on after and it really adds some like hydration around the nail since you are drying it out quite a bit from all this. Then I got this duo from the brand Gel Polish. It's the foundation and the top it off. These are critical for gel polish. You need something to do as your base and then your top coat. So I picked those up. Then I picked up this duo. It was the Nail Prep Dehydrator and Acid Free Primer. Since I'm not super like knowledgeable about this, I don't know if these are necessarily like 100% necessary. From the videos I saw some people use like a primer like this and some people didn't. So I did use it last time and I guess it probably helped. And then the last thing I got and that I have not tried yet is the Magic Remover. So I saw someone use something similar to this in a video and they just painted it on their nail and it really helped everything scrape off really easily. So next time I have to take off the gel that I won't pick it off, I will test this out and see how it works. I will update you down the road. So now I'm going to get into the actual manicure process, and I will probably just do this as a voiceover. So enjoy the video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so the first step is to file the nail to the desired shape. I try to keep mine a little bit more rounded. I have pretty short nails, so I don't file them too much. I just try to even them out. I did already file my nails and do a lot of nail grooming the other day when I first attempted a gel manicure, so I didn't need to do too much here, but you just want to gently file the nail to the desired shape. Then you're going to take a buffer and just buff the top. This creates a little bit of like friction for the polish to stick to. Then I applied the Cuticle Rehab. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't think this does what I thought it was going to do, but I then decided to just push the cuticle gently. I do not force it, I only do what it wants to do. I just gently push the scraper, and again, I don't want to force it because I really don't want to hurt myself. And I didn't really have much to trim, but I did get like a couple little dead pieces of skin. And again, be very careful here because you don't want to hurt yourself. These are pretty sharp. Then I'm taking the Sally Hansen nail cleanser. This is just to clean the nail off. I do want to note that I did go and wash my hands from the oil that was from the Cuticle Rehab. Then that's just the cleansing step. Now is the dehydrator. I don't know if this is necessarily necessary as with the primer, because as I mentioned, I saw different people doing different things, so I'm not sure if this is totally necessary or not, but I have the product, so I'm going with it. Then I also cure the primer for like 30 seconds or 10 seconds. I don't know if this is actually necessary either, but again, I just did it. Then I apply the foundation. Now I have to say, this foundation specifically, it seems like it gets a little bit like choppy on the nail. I don't know why, because I paint the exact same way I do everything else, and this is the only thing that does that. I don't think it really affects how the final product looks, but it is a bit odd, and I do cure this for 60 seconds. I ended up doing a second round of curing because it just seemed like it maybe needed it. I'm not exactly sure how long these require, but I just do the 60 seconds for everything. Then the next step is to apply the color. You want to keep thin, even coats, and then you're just going to build it up until you get to the desired color. And it's important to try and keep it as smooth as possible. I mean, of course, it's a learning curve, but try to keep the layers as even and smooth as possible and thin, because the more you have to build up, the thicker it's going to get on the nail. So I ended up doing 3 coats because this specific pink shade I was using, it was pretty sheer after 2 coats, so I went in and did 3, and I absolutely love the way the color turned out. It's very similar to my skin tone. As you'll see in the end, you can't even really tell too much, but I think for a professional environment, it's really great. I feel like it just adds a clean look to my nails and makes me feel a little bit more put together, but it's not a super in-your-face color. I am someone that traditionally does black nails, so this is definitely different for me, and I honestly didn't expect it to like it as much as I do. I hope that this will hold up for at least a week. My last attempt did not. It started to chip, but again, that was my first time doing it, and I'm sure I didn't do it as well as I feel like I did this time. Again, I'm just doing 3 coats and curing it, and then the final step is going to be to apply the top coat. This is what's going to give it that shiny finish and lock everything in. And I really like the top coat. It's only the foundation that was a little weird from this duo, but again, it doesn't really affect the final product, so it is what it is. I'm not sure if maybe I'm just being crazy since I don't own any other gel products. This is the first time. So that is it. I just cure the top coat and the nails turned out really nice, as you'll see here in a second. So that is it for this gel manicure video. I'm really excited to have this kit at home. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe before you go, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!